Rudolf Schaffer and Peggy Emerson. Stage 1. Indiscriminate attachments. Birth till 2 months. Produce similar response to all objects. During end of this period, greater preference for social stimuli shows. During this period of time, reciprocity and interactional synchrony play a role in establishing infant relationship with others. Stage 2. The beginnings of attachments. 4 months, infants become more social, prefer human company, can distinguish between familiar and unfamiliar people, however relatively easily comforted by anyone. Strange anxiety not yet shown. Most distinctive feature of this phase, their general sociability. Stage 3. Discriminate attachment. By 7 months, separation anxiety forms. They form a specific attachment to one person, primary attachment figure. Also begin to display stranger anxiety. PA not always formed with the person who spent most time with the child. Concluded that it's the quality of the relationship, not quantity, which matters most in the formation of attachment. 65% of children first significant attachment was to mother, 30% first join object, fathers 3%, but 27% first join object. Stage 4. Multiple attachments. Soon after main attachment is formed, infant develops wider circle of multiple attachments depending on how many consistent relationships he or she has. Secondary attachments are formed within 1 month of first becoming attached. Role of the father, primary attachment figures. They are less likely to be primary attachment figures than mothers, spend less time, therefore little relationship. Men are just not psychologically equipped, maybe due to biological or social factors. Female hormone estrogen underlies caring behavior, cultural expectations, and sex stereotypes that affect male behavior. Men less sensitive to infant cues than mothers. However, Frodi et al. Showed videotapes of infants crying and found no differences in the physiological response of men and women. Secondary attachments. Fathers still have a role to play as important secondary attachment figures. Research consistently highlights that fathers are more playful, physically active, exciting playmates. Lack of sensitivity from fathers can be seen as positive. Fosters problem solving by making greater communicative and cognitive demands on children. Research methods. Schaffer and Emerson conducted a study on the development of attachment. 60 infants from mainly working class homes from Glasgow were studied. At the start, infants ranged from 5 to 23 weeks of age, studied until 1 year old. Everyday situations. Mothers were visited every 4 weeks. Each visit, mother reported their infant's response to separation in 7 everyday situations. Also asked to describe the intensity of any protest, then rated on a 4-point scale. Finally, the mother was asked to say whom the protest was directed. Strange anxiety was also measured by assessing the infant's response to the interviewer at each visit. Results revealed that attachments were most likely to form with carers who were sensitive to the baby's signals rather than the person they spent the most time with.